So how can you say all boys are same? Because according to me, currently a lot of girls are given the freedom because they keep on dreaming here and here and they keep on.
Listen me, Farah.
What I'm saying.
ऐसे देर को सुनने के
Half population of the world is covered by the girls. So if we not give the freedom to the girls, so
but again the
if we
boys
not give the
also
freedom to the girls, so the world cannot be changed.
Mr. Arman, you are not listening me. Please listen to me because the current are lots of rules and regulations have been made by the government against the
So now the government is making the
not the girls
you
because
know
the
day
current
before yesterday,
girls
day
are
before
not
yesterday,
and girls are very
Supreme Court has made
intelligent.
the law for the girls.
2 मिनट 1.5 मिनट
Yes.
But this time girls can do anything but as compared to previous time all parents kept on thinking my daughter could not do anything but we should not send our daughter in school because our daughter can be affected could be affected in this time all parents don't think about.
And why should freedom given to the girls? Why? What is the reason behind this? And why I'm appreciating about the girls' marriage? Because girls are getting something in their life. They want to be something in their life, and they want to choose. They have their personal life to survive, to live in this world. But we don't need to. We are not understanding their feelings, and we aren't understanding their what they need to do, and what they need to do, and what they need to be something in their life. If we understand like these lines, so definitely one day we would be in our life and one day would be in this world that
इधर से कोई और आ गया बोलने के लिए
would be at the top level in this world. One day would be come in this world that all girls would be at the top level in this world. They mental all things, whatever is being.
That was done by the girls. You are wrong, my friend. In this time, girls are not doing the bad work. Said rape done because of girls. So this is wrong because this is mentality of boys, not for girls. Because
Rimsha you want Chandu
all women's right for their survive the life and all rights have girls because of their style of their life. So
because in this time the girls keep on roaming the here and there with the boys, so this is very bad, and the girls keep on going to the club and coming in the midnight, so it is very bad for all girls. So definitely we should not give the freedom to the girls, but people thinking is that we should give the freedom to the girls. But why should we give the freedom to the girls? Because if we will give the freedom to the girls, so definitely they keep on misusing the freedom. So according to me, we should not give the freedom to the girls, because in this time who girls are going to the school, so definitely some girls keep on bunking the school, so this is very bad for all girls. So
they are not looking at what are boys. They are just saying in the favor of girls. Girls are totally misusing their freedom. They are become alcoholic. They are using alcohol. Is it good to have alcohol? Is it good to smoking? What are you saying on that?
Mr. Salam, just I will ask one question firstly.
Yes.
Just tell me, your all team member, you can see and you can give me answer that this is not freedom. You have been here for debating together.
Yes.
This is not freedom.
But this is good.
This is a good defense. So each and everybody needs to take the freedom. Just it's my saying.
But
each and everybody needs to take.
What will you
freedom
say?
in their
What
life.
will you say about those girls who are using alcohol and who are smoking?
So there are not
Who are wasting their money?
as you team members said, 5 fingers.
Who आ रहा है हुआ
Yes.
So just think here.
Five fingers are not equal.
Yeah. So how can you say that about those people?
Yes, I'm talking about those people who are misusing their money, who are misusing their time, who are misusing their study.
So what's your major?
They are roaming here and there instead of studying.
What my dear friend, I haven't listened perfectly, but
They are roaming here and there
so what's
instead
your
of
problem? They
studying
are
in
roaming
colleges and
here.
schools.
Just listen.
They
You
are
are studying.
smoking.
Just you are studying. You are studying or not?
I'm studying.
You are
I'm
studying.
saying
This is not freedom.
I'm
This
saying
is not freedom.
I'm
This
saying
is not
about
freedom.
those
That's
girls.
freedom or
I'm
not?
saying
That's
about
freedom or
those
not?
girls. I'm
girls because it is the right of the girls. Why should we give the freedom to the girls? Because girls need a freedom. Because in the previous time you have read in the books, the girls have to face a lots of problems, lots of puzzles were done by the girls. It is wrong. Therefore now time girls are getting the freedom. And your team member was saying that the
मजा आना चाहिए.
freedom to the girls. Girls keep on using these things. Girls are misusing the freedom. So
This time,
first listen to me. First let me complete my point. So what is the freedom? First time, what is the freedom? Freedom is the shape of anything. Tell me. And the second thing is that
स्टार्ट करो
and so Mr. Shoaib was saying
I
that
want to say one thing. This time,
I'm agree with you. We need to give the freedom to all the girls, but we need to apply some barriers on their freedom. Like they don't need to wear the short clothes. They don't need to go outside of their house without any kind of reason.
So we should apply these things that boys should not tease the girls. Boys should not do the bad works.
I'm not saying
So
that.
you are saying that it is bad for the girls. You are not saying that it is not good for the boys.
I want to say we need to apply same barriers on the freedom of boys, on the freedom of girls, and we don't need to.
But your team members are saying that the girls are the biggest problem of the boys. So without the girls, can you run from Mr. Shoaib was saying that? And I have listened it.
Warning was
I know about me.
Married?
I know about me. I don't know about your team members. What did they say? I know only about me. Please say about it.
क्यों नहीं सुना तूने?
So first tell me that without the girls, can you run your home? I want to say that the life example that Vivek sir had to face a lots of problems like as her mother, his mother is not there with. Of this sentence, we should not give the freedom to the girls. Why should we not give the freedom to the girls? We should give the freedom to the girls. It is the right of everyone, and girls are not misusing the freedom, and they are taking they have a right that they can take the freedom and they can do the works which work they know that what is the value of this.
You know, my dear friends,
I know everything that you are not listening.
do you know in Canada lots of girls keep on making the Apodex Magina wheel? It's a good yes or no? You tell me.
I know that it is bad. I know that it is bad. Which works are being done? Bad works are being done by the boys. Those